So, hello everyone. It's me again. Tara, samahan niyo ako. Magtitimpla tayo at iinom tayo ng Solmax 3 Plus ng RF3 World. Ayan. So, this one has, ayan, apple stem cell, grape stem cell, argan stem cell, and pang boost ng immune system natin, pang normalize, pang balance ng ating hormones, and a lot of benefits pa siya. So, if you want more information, i-message lang ako sa aking page, RF3 World Australia by Kay Prilla, or Karen's Fashion by Kay Prilla, para mabigay ko sa iyo yung lahat ng information. So, be part of our team. Ayan. So, let's put this powder. This one is a warm water lang. Ayan.